Hello everyone. The information I'm about to share comes directly from the technicians who work every day repairing appliances at this well-known shop, so don't worry, we're going to get it fixed. Whenever a customer walks in and says, "My Whirlpool oven started showing F9E0 and wouldn't heat," we always explain in the shop that this code usually appears due to communication issues between the oven's temperature sensor and the control board. Shop technicians have seen that the machine interprets any irregular signal as a fault and locks operation to prevent damage. Some customers notice the error showed up right when I tried to preheat the oven, which helps us know where to start checking. On the other hand, the temperature sensor is one of the most common culprits. If the sensor is damaged or its wiring is loose, the control board receives erratic signals and triggers F9E0. Shop technicians check the sensor's resistance with a multimeter and ensure it's properly connected. As one customer commented, "It seemed like the oven tried to heat but shut off by itself," which matches what we detect in the shop when inspecting the sensor. Additionally, the control module can have internal faults. Over time, components like capacitors can be damaged by heat or voltage spikes, interrupting communication with the sensors. Shop technicians visually inspect the board for damage and, when necessary, replace it with an updated version. Some Whirlpool bulletins indicate that certain models had recurring F9E0 errors due to the module design, and replacing it resolves the problem permanently. We also can't forget about the wiring. Loose, damaged, or poorly connected wires can create erratic signals that cause the error. Shop technicians check every connection and make sure everything is secure and free of visible damage. One customer told us, "I noticed some wires behind the board were loose," confirming that this inspection is crucial before considering major replacements.